I am going to teach you how to create a viral kids rhyme song from scratch using a simple AI tools. By the end of this video, you will have your own full song visuals and a complete animated video ready to upload. So head over to ChatGPT and then give it a prompt, create me kids viral rhyme song. So this is how simple the prompt is. Also, now it's time to create the song. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna copy the whole lyrics right here, and then we're gonna move to the AI that will help us to generate the song. AI that will help us to generate the music is called MusicCreator.ai. So after that, you're gonna click on create music now, and then this is what you're gonna come across to. Okay, so if you don't have the lyrics, you can just describe the music here. You can describe what you want the AI to generate. Okay, so now since we've got our own lyrics, we can just click on this plus sign that is labeled lyrics, and then we are going to put the song here. This is where we are going to paste the song. Okay, so now we are gonna so now we've got the song right here. The next thing, we are going to need the style. We need to include the style, the mood, and also the genre of the song in the box. So if you don't know what to write, you can ask ChatGPT to help you with it. Side, I've got the master music prompt. All right. So what all I need to do is to copy it and go back to the AI music generator. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it right here. I'm gonna paste it here, and then okay. So here are some of the things that you can choose, but already are included on my prompt, so I don't need to select any of these. Okay, so now we can come here to the title of the song. If you want to name it, you can name it. I'm gonna just leave it like that. You're gonna choose the vocal gender. There's a random that the system will automatically select the singer for you. Okay, or you can just select a male or a female. So with everything, we can just click generate. So now let me just show you the previous videos that I've just created using the very same lyrics. So this is the first one. Play, let's have fun the silly way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, move your body to the beat. Clap, clap, tap, tap, jump, jump high, wave your hands up to the sky. Spin around, don't be slow, ready, set, go, go, go. Wiggle fingers, tickle toes, touch your head, touch your nose. This one is actually the best. All right, let's just listen to the second one. Hey, hey, come and play. Let's have fun the silly way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, move your body to the beat. Clap, clap, tap, tap, jump, jump high, wave your hands up to the sky. Spin around, don't be slow, ready, set, go, go, go. Okay, so you see how beautiful these two version of the song is. I actually just enjoy this one, and I will use one of these songs. So if you are happy with the song, you can just come here to this three dots where you can actually get the downloads section. So this is the way you can just download your song to MP3 audio. Then you can just download it into your phone or your computer. Okay, so now we need to create the image prompt, video prompt, actions, and camera movement according to the song. So this is the prompt that you should be giving it to ChatGPT to create. So now I've got all the details, all the things that I need. As you can see, I've got the master character prompt right here to use, and then I've got the style, and also for the scenes, I've got a scene one intro, I've got the image for that, and the video prompt as well, actions and camera movement. Okay, so all of these are important as is going to complement the song. Everything will go according to the song. So now we've got everything. Now we need to create the images. Okay, so we're gonna start with these are my images that I've created on Hixford AI using the Nano Banana model. So I'm not going to show you how to create images because I know so many people know how to create the images. So now you can just download them after you are done with this process, and then we're going to move to the next process, of which we're going to turn them into the images, into the video, sorry. All right. Okay, so now we're going to use Kling AI. Is going to help us into turning the images into a video. So we've got an image, so we're gonna click right here on the image, and then we upload the image. Okay, so we're gonna paste the prompt right here, and then we're gonna come here to the model, so we can just choose the best model. Okay, so let's just leave it on the one that the system already chosen for us. And then on this side, on the settings, you need to choose the between 720p or 1080p. Let's just go with the 720p, as it's gonna take less credit. And then for how many minutes you want the AI to, we want link to. So here is the duration, so you need to select 4 seconds is gonna be 36, 3 seconds is gonna be 27. Okay, so remember you only have a 66 a credit to use. Okay, so let's just go with 3 seconds, and then we're gonna click on 16:9. This is the ratio, the expect ratio, and then we choose only one image, and then we click on generate. One thing that you need to bear in mind with Kling AI is that it's going to take long to produce or to generate your image. Okay, sometimes it can even take like 2 hours for you to get the result for your for your video. Okay, so while I'm creating the video on this site, we can also use another website. Okay, so okay, so the second tool that will help us to turn the images into the video for free is called a Pixaverse. Okay, with Pixaverse, you get 60 credit to use every day. So now you're gonna need to bring your image into the platform, and then here you put your prompt, and then we're gonna need to come here to set up the settings. You're gonna choose the resolution here. You're gonna go with 360p, or you're gonna go with 520. It's just up to you. Okay, let me just go with the 360, and then the minutes, the duration, I can just go with, let me see how much it's gonna take for 10 for 10 seconds. Okay, so let me say 10 seconds here, and then comes here to the audio. Okay, so now it's gonna take 40 of the credit, and I only have 60. All right, so I need to go back and then choose the lesser one. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the 5 seconds. It's gonna take 20. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna just leave it like that, and then we're gonna click on create. Okay, so with Pixverse, it doesn't take long to generate. As you can see already, it has just generated my video. Okay, when you are done with your creation, you can just click on your video, and then you download it here. So remember, your video will have a watermark since you're using it for free. Okay, so now we are at the last part of the video. So all I did was to come here to the upload section and upload all the files that include the video clips and also the audio, and then you can put everything together like I did here, and then you know which part comes first and which one is the last one, so your video matches perfectly with the audio. Okay, so once everything is in place, you can add a transition like I did here. You can just click on this, and then you can just add the transition. There are lots of transition that you can just choose from. So I'm always going with the match and move, as it's actually very, very nice with the videos like ones. Okay, so you can just choose the one that you love, but this is actually the best. Right, so now I'm just going to apply the transition, all the scenes, and now we have the beautiful final video. So this is the result. So remember, this is just a simple process that you can do in Canva. Canva is actually one of the best places to edit your video, because everything in the editing process is easy to use and works really well. So personally, Canva is my go-to platform because it makes everything simple and helps me polish and finalize my video quickly. So here is the final video. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hey, hey, come and play. Let's have fun the silly way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, move your body to the beat. Clap, clap, tap, tap, jump, jump high. Wave your hands up to the sky. Spin around, don't be slow. Ready, set, go, go, go. Wiggle fingers, tickle toes. Touch your head, touch your nose. Hop like a bunny, bounce like a ball. Turn around and don't you fall. Clap, clap, tap, tap, jump, jump high. Wave your hands up to the sky. Spin around, don't be slow. Ready, set, go, go, go. Slow, tiptoe light, quiet like the stars at night. Fast, fast, run in place. Clap, clap, tap, tap, jump, jump high. Wave your hands up to the sky. Spin around, shout hooray! Let's do it all again today.